Relationships equal referrals. So when you're creating content with ideal buyers, this equals direct sales opportunities and referral opportunities. If you create content with interesting, influential people, you're building momentum to gain trust and authority from members of that same ideal buyer profile. So, for example, when I have someone on my podcast, I do not let them go without asking for nominations or recommendations. I don't use the word referrals, I'm using it now. Nominations and recommendations for the show, and then they can nominate somebody that they love and they follow and they're friends with, and ultimately bring in, and you just start leveling guests up and you start collaborating with better and better people the more recommendations and nominations you get from previous collaborators.